First scorer prize rupees 1000 goes to jersey number 7 K. Choba Singh. Second scorer donate to Wikiba Sri Thongam Koronganbi Chanu, daughter of late T.H. Samumachas Kumbi Hari Mahanga Magi Mane giving the Kachaba, donated by Sri Thongam Koronganbi Chanu. Prize Pamidava jersey number 2 S. Kumar Thangamandal. S. Kumar, please come and get your prize. Somdalap mayad lakro. Second scorer की प्राइस पे भी दबा ये स्टार स्कोरर की प्राइस लवी के दबा Prize asibu donate to Viva Sir and Surchandra Singh, Panchayat Secretary, Khathinungai and Morangkuno Gram Panchayat, Bisnupur Block. Sir, please and come. Please come, sir. And prize winner will be Gidova. Jersey number 9, Kumbi Mandal. Kumbi Mandal ki jersey number 9. Yes, prize labi Gidova. Amomjit Wangugi Pradane Sir Susandra, please. Sir, Pirga koi prices PV using Jari. Prize PV Gadaba Sri N. Surchandra Singh, Panchayat Secretary, Khathinungai and Morangkuno Gram Panchayat. Sir, please come and give your prize. Sir Surchandra Swaidale Virgi de Dongi prize as a PB nomination Jerry. Sir, please come and get your prize. Waugi Pradhan. Yes. Runners up prize labi the wat hanga kendragi. Team captain na to team ko songtang lapidna dongi. Runners up prize labi nam sing jari. Asibo prize asibo donate to with sir. Ibo yaima. Amasung winner gi team coach na to team manager sanbidna dongi prize asibo labi. PB gido sir. Ibo yaima sing. Haisnam ibo yaima. Yes, akoigi honorable nasu hariba team manimaki team coach na to team manager animal election bidang sing jari. Yes, akoigi honorable na ngasigi apo mo sung akabada lupa lising mga PB gini habiri. Yes, hujik sanabi ki BJP mandal gi team manimakta akoigi honorable na nasigi singulba match sanabi ki exhibition match adugi team manimakta lupa lising mga PB gani.
Kasam tu nising sige aikoigi arrange tawjari bi share singda aikoigi official na tabas sing sangsi laga phambi sing do yarga di isana khang topi gana bani sing jari
Yes, once again, akoigi ikai khumjarwas akoigi sore S sanajawa tongom sanajawa ikai khumjarwa special contractor na so lupa lising ani ni ngo bibing na haibire. Yes, somna focus awin sing jari. अखोगी सर तीसना जावा स्पेशल कंट्रैक्टर नसु अदोंगी दमकता लुपा लिसिंग अनि नि प्राइस समझरे पिबिरे Yes, केंद्र नेगी मंडल की टीम सिंगदा नसिगी इकाई खुमजरबा सिंगना अदोम अदोंगी अवार्ड सिंग पीबी खरे मसी दमक नसिगी माय तांग बंद लेंसन बिरी बाई इकाई खुमजरबा सिंगबु थागत चरी लोनना यदा क्लोकी माइके दिगी नोलुक चरी अदोमना चौवा मतिंग पीबी बुगी दमक Yes, amana akoigi hauji akoi final match haujagadore aduna Yes, marathana hauji ki akoigi sanabi ki hiba team manimaki mandal ki president sing akoigi dais lengkat pinun sing jari hauji sanabi ki hiba team animaki mandal ki president akoigi dais lengkat pinun namar kauksin jari marathana akoina thamjari ba maira paibi sing i phambam da nupa sing changsal ga lepiri ba do chanbidna madu ongtang lengthok piro adi mamang thangmo sai to jo koi lengthok piro sing jari amana aikoina reserve bench ta thajari ba thamjari ba mafam ado reserve player amadi official khaktan natana atai di phambi gano horen karigumba madu nuai nartaba yai aduna chanbidna aikoina semjari ba reserve bench ta reserve player natraga official natana atai di amata phamba akoi allow tawjate maramadana shana khangna adom lengthok pikina ba ningsing jari मरक्तना अखोइना अदोंगी खुदोंग चानग नुग अखोइना थमजरिबा लाइव टेलीकास्ट तौजरिबा अखोइगी प्रोजेक्टर कापसरिबा सि चानबिदना अखोइगी पोस्टिंग अदु लेंगबिदनबा कनागुमना पाइरगा इनबिदनबा अखोइ निंगसिंगजरि अमुक्तो निंगसिंगजगे मियांग दंग तखोइना खुदोंग चानबा थमजरिबा अखोइगी प्रोजेक्टर कापिबा सुबा लाइव टेलीकास्ट असिदा चानबिदना अदोमना पोस्टिंग अदु पाइबिदबा लेंगबिदनबा निंगसिंगजरि Yes, amana hauzik match asi khoi adomna live telecast yengbi ningba lergadi YouTube channel Kanglaihut channel da khoi hariba akhoi gi match ngasi gi live telecast hajagani maramadna adomna hariba channel asi download tawirga yengbi bi agani YouTube channel da Kanglaihut hariba dumba channel da adom yengbi bi agani मरक्थना अखोइगी ngasiगी dais lengsan biriba ikai khunwajaba singda athen port lambiramba अखोइगी माइरा पाइबि सिंग अखोइ honorable ना अदोंगी मतें खरा तौजगे हारि मरमदना चानबिदना माइरा पाइबि सिंग lengsan बिरंगबन सिंग जरि अमुक निसिंग जगे ngasi ki pot lanbi ki ba maira pai bi mai bel sing akoi gi mai ai de lak piraga akoi gi honorable na ngasi ki maira pai bi sing dam ta mating pizza basi lawi ba lak pi ho na ningsing jari
marak thana karum tu ningsing jage miyam ki kutong sana bi dam ta live thajari ba koi gi camera si gi mamang da koi babok sing lepsin ba du yaragi to bidana ba ningsing jari koi da kutong sa da bakra mayong na re aduna yaragadi lengbi ribu khwai puna man sojok pina ba hai duna sinjalang jamai ke di ghana ningsing jari
yes hauzik sanabi ki ba match aduda akoi gi lupa lisi manga manga pibi ki ba ikai khunjar ba akoi gi honorable Sri H Prem Chandra Singh honorable MLA kumbi AC ikai khunjar ba na players team mani maki team captain amadi team coach da lupa lisi manga manga pibi bidamak sinjari ba yadak lagi mai kai digi adombu ngamkhai le tuna thagat chari loina अखोई की मंडल की प्लेयर्स ना यामना थवा यावना सानबी की बादु की दमकता जो अखोई की साइट की ngamkhoi litna thagat chari loina na ngasigi final match asibu sanabgi dawa KNK kaibul amadi Morangcha FC Morang Kunogi player singna official singna dongi player list form do khoi announcing butong to submit obiu Sanbidna Kumbi Mandal ki president khoi gi dai zelengkat pina baning singjari amuk to ning singjage kumbi madal gi president sanbidna khoi gi dais lengker pirang no ning singjari
अखोई मैच सुबु यंग बलाक पी दिबा अखोई की ममल याम लब बाबोक सिंह की मफम दक्रम नि सिंह जगे अखोई लब जगह सि पिक पनिना अखोई लोइनो उन ब सेम साबदे कोई ngमजत्रे दुना लेंबिर लब ख्वाई पुन मक की मरक तगे अखोई की स्कूल मथक का दुना यंबिर ब ख्वाई पुन मक करिगुम सोई ngam na tarak pa yorogadi club na dai to bolo अखोई dai te lobo ngamjaroi aduna isai sana wafam masibtang di kaubidana baning singjari
ngasigi final match asida sanabi gidaba KNK Kaibulgi player list miyang imangdung thamjagi jersey number 7 Tomba, jersey number 17 Tondomba, jersey number 12 Chauba, jersey number 21 Danny, jersey number 31 Jackson, jersey number 10 Loya, jersey number 11 Boyai, jersey number 8 Premchand, jersey number 5 Roshan, team captain Jackson, team coach Buddha, team manager Gandhi, team physio Ravi Hariba, official lamadi player sing asina KNK Kaibulbu represent tawna sanabi gidaba player singni makoigi uniform muchuna white shirt amadi blue shorts ni yes Morangsai FC bu represent tawna sanabi gidaba player sing miyang imangdung thamjagi jersey number 1 Dinesho, jersey number 18 Premjit, jersey number 12 Pravin, jersey number 17 Arun, jersey number 7 Sheetal, jersey number 14 Kishan, jersey number 19 Govin, jersey number 16 Nepo, jersey number nil Mudras, team captain Premjit, team coach Maino, team manager Yaibhaba, amadi team physio Bhaskar, hariba official amadi player sing asina ekoigi Morangsai FC Morang Kunobu represent tawna sanabi gidaba player sing ni best goalkeeper amna ko adegi highest scorer di khanga bo kai highest mana kai ta ne ko abi iri ko ko ni je ko hari man sa bijai dena ko winner na da koi ki kai koi last ne si bi khalo dena ko si bi khalo adegi mo ko tiro just la tiro best player piu ko man of the match ko adege ni shubda oh mi mani indro oh iya mamay ama anam basin na tapos nila yang ani
कैंडल हम ना कैंडल साइड ना लेके ngam ti bagiro yes le ko lebi ahum suruda best goalkeeper pi jana jaga highest scorer pi jana ei mathangda best goalkeeper ko envelope di rabne
Ana tes tau bani na hana tes tau tes tau nung tau tes oh ya
ngasi maman yam laba numit asida kangsobi mapan yada kalapna silang duna sanagadariba final football match asida saruk yaba lengbire iba ikai khumnabra matik charba kumbi AC gi sanasam premchandra singh adugo loina na thanga AC gi tongram Mangi Babu Singhabu ikai khunabu utpaga loina na hairiba game asigi bieng tabiba lengo thagachari kari hayenga tongbar
Kali kumda kakan jage
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯐꯤꯜꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯡ ꯊꯪꯕ ꯁꯥꯏꯠꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ Maruti I100 MN05 J0379 ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯒꯥꯔꯤ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯉꯥꯛꯇꯪ ꯂꯧꯊꯣꯛꯄꯤꯅꯕ ꯅꯤꯡꯁꯤꯡꯖꯔꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯒꯥꯔꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯊꯧꯗꯣꯛꯄꯗ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯡꯆꯥꯗꯕ ꯃꯥꯌꯣꯛꯅꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯌꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯒꯥꯔꯤ ꯃꯄꯨ ꯑꯁꯤꯅ ꯒꯥꯔꯤ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯉꯥꯛꯇꯪ ꯊꯧꯗꯣꯛꯄꯤꯅꯕ ꯅꯤꯡꯁꯤꯡꯖꯔꯤ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯀ ꯁꯥꯟꯅ ꯅꯤꯡꯁꯤꯡꯖꯒꯦ ꯐꯤꯜꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯡ ꯊꯪꯕ ꯁꯥꯏꯠꯇ Maruti I100 ꯑꯃ ꯈꯥꯝꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯌꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯊꯨꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯂꯧꯊꯣꯛꯄꯤꯅꯕ ꯅꯤꯡꯁꯤꯡꯖꯔꯤ ꯒꯥꯔꯤ ꯅꯝꯕꯔ MN05 J0379 ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯒꯥꯔꯤ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯃꯄꯨꯅ ꯌꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯉꯥꯛꯇꯪ ꯊꯧꯗꯣꯛꯄꯤꯅꯕ ꯅꯤꯡꯁꯤꯡꯖꯔꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯦꯁ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯃꯄꯨꯡ ꯐꯥꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯂꯦꯡꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯚꯥꯕꯣꯛꯁꯤꯡ ꯃꯅꯤꯡ ꯊꯪꯕ ꯁꯥꯏꯠꯇ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯦꯞꯄꯤꯕ ꯚꯥꯕꯣꯛꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯌꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯇꯨꯡꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯈꯟꯕꯤꯔꯒ ꯃꯅꯤꯡꯂꯣꯝꯗ ꯕꯦꯛ ꯈꯖꯤꯛ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯅꯕ ꯅꯤꯡꯁꯤꯡꯖꯔꯤ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯁꯟꯅ ꯅꯤꯡꯁꯤꯡꯖꯒꯦ ꯃꯅꯤꯡ ꯊꯪꯕ ꯁꯥꯏꯠꯇ ꯂꯦꯞꯄꯤꯕ ꯚꯥꯕꯣꯛꯁꯤꯡ ꯌꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯚꯥꯕꯣꯛꯁꯤꯡꯁꯨ ꯎꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯐꯝꯊꯕꯤꯅꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯤꯟꯖ ꯂꯥꯡꯖꯤꯟ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯣꯝꯒꯤ ꯄꯨꯛꯅꯤꯡ ꯆꯤꯡꯁꯤꯟꯖꯔꯤ
ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯇꯒ ꯈꯪꯍꯟꯖꯒꯦ ꯆꯥꯟꯕꯤꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯡ ꯊꯪꯕ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗ ꯐꯝꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯦꯆ ꯑꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯌꯦꯡꯕ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛ ꯇꯨꯡꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯈꯟꯕꯤꯔꯒ ꯑꯗꯣꯝ ꯑꯗꯣꯝꯁꯨ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯐꯝꯊꯕꯤꯅꯕ ꯅꯤꯡꯁꯤꯡꯖꯔꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯒꯦꯂꯔꯤꯃꯛꯇꯤ ꯁꯥꯕ ꯉꯝꯖꯗ꯭ꯔꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯡꯆꯥꯗꯕ ꯃꯥꯌꯣꯛꯅꯖꯔꯦ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯆꯥꯟꯕꯤꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯗꯣꯝꯅ ꯈꯖꯤꯛ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯐꯝꯊꯕꯤꯔꯒ ꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯌꯦꯡꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯚꯥꯕꯣꯛꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯈꯟꯕꯤꯗꯨꯅ ꯈꯖꯤꯛ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯅꯣꯟꯊꯕꯤꯅꯕ ꯅꯤꯡꯁꯤꯡꯖꯔꯤ
Hello. Now let me clarifications for readings parts of these announcements. Thank you. हेलो हौजेक फॉरबॉन टूर्नामेंट असी हौननबा सेम सारी मयाम पुनोंगना मियेंग ताबिनबा निंगसिंगजरी
फाइनल मैच सानबीदबा केएनके अमदी गोरांसाई एफसी के प्लेयर्स सिंगा एखोगी ngasi gi prize lengthen biriba ikai khunuzaraba singa sakang baikeng nawi tanjam thang lojogi sir please
हौजेक फुटबॉल टूर्नामेंट असी मयाम पुनमंगना येंबीदबा निंगसिंगजरी अदुगा Now, listens to the stereos according to the highlights of today's football finance match. Today's football finals match organized by Yada Club Kangsoibi Mapals. Now K Kaibuls vs Moirang Kuno Moirangsa I mean now FC Moirang Kuno. Today's of these finals football match to see.
Player singer Lingson Bidi Boy Ikai Kurunzar singer Sakang Makin Rit Tanzama PV with them.
All players are requested to come out from the field. Me sasu yang belajar lewat kuai pun nampak sandi tu na atau motong di tim sini gol sambada ekagi film maya ada betul lang sandega amati film maya ada siapa tu kereta na banding sini jadi amutu banding sini jadi masih me sasu yang belajar lewat kuai pun nampak atau motong di tim sini gol sambada betul sing amati film maya ada lengkap kereta na banding sini jadi. Today's football finals match organized by Yada Clubs Kangsoibi Mapals. KNK Kaibul versus Moirangsa FC Moirang Kuno. All spectators are requested to see very well. Don't sit properly now. Don't go here and here.
Mate singling length live quite put among them. If tournament sibu, Hawaii people of evening, and I pay put among Adobo, Sinjalangi way back looking back at the Kai Kunuchari, Karimuga, Saunabudi, and the General Dito Wigo, Karimuka, Tolabudi, Equigi tournament sing the Sangibo, Kashasing. Kadang ibani tu apa yang mahu kita ikut tu ni?
Mereka lonjok agak ngangbir, English ngata ngangbir akan apa?
Hai hai rupa. Orang sana ada ini hai jeko, sana ada. Jackson, Loya, Premsang, Rosen, Kari Sauba, Kondomba, Bomba. Oh, aku masih di kontak.
Laura di tantur
Jangan lumba kenova. Ada lumba hai dia ubah, jangan lau tu ubah. Oh, sisi yang ke Premjit,
Pravin,
Pravin,
Mereka sana tim mana bagi? First scorer,
Hauzek,
second scorer,
Mayam,
third scorer,
Pemina, Pamdalebio, Hauzek,
first scorer की प्राइस पीवी दबा श्री थोंगम साउथोई सिंह
Sanabase,
सतो मकाले करी लाफी बना
Haukre,
first second third की स्कोरर की
Aduna,
प्राइस इपर चंगा
Mangda,
अदुगा
Lepi ba, missing ado,
W बांग सु
Amuk tang lai thok piu.
कोई लुपा चाने की मुतेक
Mangda Lepi ba, ai khoi ki nuksi jaraba, isil nauk singgu lumsan pidana ba, lumsi jari.
scorer will get rupees 500
Football commentary na carry taudana direct kick tauda, but the ball is involves direct to shoot to the goals. Now ball is receiving to the stoppers.
Now, Hojik, Sanabasi Yam Fazana, Sanari, Mayam Punamagna, Yada Kalapna, Sinzalangjaba,
Yes, once again, the fastest scorer,
Bolasi, Fazana, Sanazari, Aduga,
Sri Uttam Kumar Amadi,
Mayamana, Yana Fadingri. The ball is now carry, bag number 17, and then after this, the ball is kicking towards the goals.
Yes, now, the highest scorer,
now both sides of the teams are very good. They are good players. Now, according to the umpire's whistles, the ball is ready, now ready to kick off against. In others to carry, the ball is direct kicking, but the ball is hit to the back number 17 now. It is in others to the ball is now over. According to that hints of the umpires, the ball is received now. The ball is passed. Back number 17's kick. The ball is over now from this white uniform. According to the audience are informed that now not to clap and not to hue and cries. Now the ball is going to throw the goalkeeper receive and kick up against towards his rival's numbers. Jersey number 7 kick very nice, and once goal is scores now. From the centers, the ball is started to kick it off now. The ball is received, bag number 17, and the ball kick it off again from the
yes,
rival numbers. The ball is now, and then after this, the ball is kicking, the stoppers falls on the ground. The ball is, according to the umpire's whistles, now it is going to judge the then after this, Hojik, Aikoi na Yamna section na Legadabadi, Hojik, Sanoi Animasi, Yamna Nugaina, Amadi, Kaiba Soy Later, Sanari, MPRG, Matungina, Bolsika, Hongre, Bolasi, Sangata Uda, Posta, Panvataki, Boladu, over Oires, now the ball is going to throw in their players or hinders now receive against. The ball is out against, then the ball is received by number 17 and then passing through his opponents. The pass and receive again by number 17. Bag number 17 na ball adu loro matung da magi team the pire matung dagi ball adu out oire adutagi among haktang layer matung da ball adu amuk judge ki decision ki matungi na ball is counted. The ball is now going to kick off according to the whistles orders now. Now the ball is passing back number 18 and receive against to his players and receive again passing. Now the ball is coming to goalkeepers, but the ball is kicking to was the blue jersey number. Yes, then the ball is over. Hojik Yamna Nungairaba game asida Hojik ball asi Yamna Nungaira Sanari Aduga goalkeeper na kautorba ball adu bag number 17. Now according to the umpires, just listen to that whistle to wide again. The ball is going to score, but fence off by this goalkeeper. Blue oh blue oh yes I want to help. Now the ball is kicked higher and heading against. The ball passing towards their rivals again. The ball is coming towards the south. According to hint at against, the ball is carried and the back numbers 12 of Kaibuls running after the ball is passing through his friends. The ball is now received from Kaibuls KNC. The ball is started to kick off again. The ball is received against, kick directly. The ball is caught by these goalkeepers. Now ready to. One goal is scored. Direct kickings by the white uniforms. White. Province. I thanks bag numbers 12 Province Singa. I thanks now bag number 12 Province Singa. Moirangsa FC. Once again listen to me. Moirangsa bag numbers 12 Province FC. I thanks him now. There is a schools. One player is fainted on the ground. Please make ups now to helps and medical. I now quoted because I inform you. Other requirements, water supplies and others medicals helpers are informed to now to help the players.
Yes, heading the Tauga goal some Hariba prizes CPP Gadaba, Sri Ona Mirapur, social worker, Kumbi Assembly, Constituency, Hariba Kai Kumzabna, heading goal give to Damka Kui Pachama prize some Tamzari.
Yam na nungairaba sanaba makalama haibadi Kangsobi Mapal gi Yada Club na Silang Jaduna 2024 Sida Pangthok Liba Aikhoigi Sanaba Makal Sida Stadium Sida Tinbiriba Miang Punaku Kurumzari Matung Dasu Asigumba Sana Konaba Sida Sarkar ki side ki government ki side ki aduga ikai khumnaraba MLA gi side ki hena puning thogat pinaba ningsingjari. First state levels led Lairenjam Sanatombi Elias Inauksa Leima Memorial Football Tournaments organized by Zada Club Kangsoibi Mapals. Listens to me here once again according to the headlines of today's football tournament specialists. Ikai Kumnazariba Lengbireba Miam Punawaku Ahan Mamotada Kurumzari Hajik Sanaba Asida Aikoiki Yamna Maman Yamlaba Prayer Ama Asi da mateng tawinaba mari leinaba authority singda khanganle khanganjari adura thank you. Arudi, laudum chera. Phong hoy vậy. Phong này khai này phong này cái chỗ phong mua rồi.
아니 에디제는 꼴 나오지.
Marang kada kada na sing sagi ai koi gi stage si only invited singi akoi gi kanoni adu ne yaraga di gasi gi yaraga di akoi gi babuk sing kakat pirak na bahai duna sinjalang jir mai ge di pung sinjari
Silai lai ra ko ya rai tau ni Ay sila ke Yes, yang mengai bagaimana? Sana lu clear sudah hat-trick gol terbentuk. Aku lagi istri tanah jam hero di Singhana. Upat sama gimana? Mafi gini hanya tangan beri masih kita buka su. Jadi kita lagi tinggi hanya lalu kita tangkap ke bawah sekali.
Ồ, kiểu này mà
ông sẽ không làm gì đấy em bấm cái áo cái này
coffee.
Aduh lagi. Masa apa sih dia? Itu nang cuma lagi. Oh, lagi lah. Bang yang tu bra. Kau ni kerana kiri hana cakap. Amam.
Arun, back number 17, a good player. Now ball is passing to his party. Then after this, now the ball is running after, but directly kicks. A good goalkeeper's hands up. No goals. The ball is over now. The ball is passing. It received. Now the ball is ready to kick off from the corners. Now ready. It is going to. Ball number 12 receives. The ball is passing to his friends, and the ball is received again, but blocked. Direct kick, but blocked. Now the balls come to back number 12 received but fails. Don't hue and cries. I inform all audience are requested not to hue and cries. The ball is direct kicks. Goalkeepers are very good. Now the ball is throwing by the goalkeeper. Back number 17 receive again. According to referees, the ball is now stopped to play, but now the ball is started to kick, carrying against Moirangsa. Players receive the ball. Now the ball is passing and receive the Moirangsa FC club. It is very well sent. The ball is direct kick to the Kaibul KNC. The ball is coming towards the Moirangsa, but the ball is in bounds. According to the audience, now hue and cries. You are requested not to hue and cries, but according to the decisions of the umpire should be decided.
Please. Lao tôi đi phân biêu này lao cái đó cái gì mà khai được phân biêu please.
Được rồi, nó diễn này được đó. Còn được rồi.
Ikaw tangay pa nga hamam lay tayo lagi. Adong ako'y ayaw mag-pizza ba ni? Saan dito na ako'y mag-pizza rin matutay din lao nila masing gari.
All audience are informed to sit properly. Now the ball is very good to kick it up. Now Moirangsa FC Club versus KNK Hockey, KNK Kaibul. Now the ball is started very well. One scores. Now one goal is scored. Please, hue and cry, please stop now. Please white. According to referee, this finals football match very important since all audience are very happy. First state 11th late Larenjam Sanatombi Elias Inauksa Leima Memorial Football Tournament organized by Yada Club Kangsoibi Mapal. Kasi nung tapiro yay.
Thôi nông ta đi phải nông ta sangat jangan betul segala memang tapi nggak goreng
Howzing first half ta मैंने भी किसको
KNK Tebul 1 Barangsar FC 2. Marak thana berhutang sing segi ngasigi final matches ko yang belak piriba mamalaya magbabok sing ifamda karigum te request dug segi bagi sanage manunda akogi referee singda agi players singda natabai wahi otasa na dana yapna na launch ko budu yarga di tobi na bidna wa haidana lembi di fight ko famda sing jari abak sana ni sing segi akoi tournament final asi yang belak piriba ngasigi mamalaya magbabok sing ifamda kung ano kayo sige madudi ko'y play manunda babok singna akan bawahi wata lau kung doon sila doon arigin ito ng sabi ng pwede na sing jari
duwidaan na terus ini aja.
Ano maning dai ila ko miyaw may neyo. Mai nong da dai kan ja ni ko. Hore nong da kan da mu kan na ba. Ai bai sen be ke. Ko se mo re nong ka ja ni. Vậy thì buồn không 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 gì cái gì đấy sao vậy cái nó việc không nhớ là sống cái gì vậy chỉ buồn nó nằm sao đó mấy ai không muốn nữa nè Ôi cái này nó tôm bốc đây. Tôm bốc đây, tôm bốc đây. Tôm bốc. Mà thân ta bốc cái này tôm bốc ai chứ? Ôi nó xuống đã. Ya da vine. Qual è? Vai da quando no. Vai non gare. Không mua bạn. Ra rồi, ai không mà phải ra rồi. Ai cũng không. Luôn những cái đặc biệt thay cái nó phải rồi kìa. Những cái đặc biệt thay cái nó mà. Ra rồi. Ay, si lo pongo kanina ka lugo. चिल्ली मकान दने
से हम लगाए हैं नहीं सुनाई सुनाई हमारे धाबी का जो Ada tu ulu ni, ay ma buat dia ni. Oh, sama makan dia ma. Boleh, boleh. Baik ni kan
Chân là lão này cuộc của nó gì?
Come! mai mi jiman pelati pade ta pune ko ta pune wal hai de Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ lỡ những video hấp dẫn.
कोई हम जो है जगह सानबिदना बतल सिंह के गिलन सिंह के नोटिस करी मदो कोई नागदी मदो मायना रोय ये सानबिदना फील्ड की मैदान संग रखनो ये सानबीदने कोई फील्ड के मयादा लेबलिंग तो कितना दोपे कोई प्राइस भी नमक होना सके अमुक तो खाई जगह ये सानबीदने कोई प्राइस उनके पीछे के प्लीज सानबीदना अखोई फील्ड के कोई भी मयाद प्लीज कितने लेथोक पियोंता अखोई प्राइज उनते पीछे के गर्ल्स नो जाकिनो अखोई की गर्ल्स इन सरकिनो सानबीदना कोई खजितंग लेथोक पिना निसिंग जरी कोई उनते प्राइज उनते पीछे के Yes, club की volunteers ने मैम तो राउंड तो कोई इम्ता करने तो विनर लेफन मिल मिशन जी yes Jun gi tang ni pan di chacha jak pa dumba first state level late Laren jam inausa leima memorial football tournament asigi ngasigi sanabi ki ba KNK kaibul amadi morangsa FC ki match akhoi ngasigi makhoi ki activities ki matungin akhoi prize pin akhoi sem sajare aduna ngasigi first scorer da akhoi prize ani lai hariba first scorer ki prize pibi ki doba Sri Thongbam Chauthoi Singh Sandong Makha Lekai dagi hariba kai khumjarabana first scorer da lupa changa gi mating pibi gani hariba prize asibu phangbi ki doba KNK kaibul ki jersey number 7 mathang da asingwa first scorer se pipi ki doba Sri W Maipak Singh Kumbi Hanagi national player hariba kai khunu asinasu lupa chani gi mating pibi gani award ama aduna hariba ni parsu lakpinam nising jari yes jersey number 7 Tomba chemai shipping Yes, please wait. Jersey number 7. Amaga Wali. Jersey number 7 first scorer ki award ma su hoi lobi gadam ni. PB gadam ba Sri Thongbam Chauthoi Singh Sandong Makha Lekai dagi lakpi bana PB gani. Jersey number 7. Second scorer Morangsa FC ki jersey number 12 Pravin Morangsa FC ki jersey number 12 Pravin please come and get your second scorer prize donated by Sri Thongbam Chauthoi Singh. Yes, third scorer su prize lobi daba Morangsa FC ki jersey number 18 Premjit please come and get your prize PB ki daba Sri Thongbam Chauthoi Singh. Yes, last scorer ki prize pibi ka ba Sri Chiro Minauksa amadi N Sintha Singh son of N Sitaljit kaibul lagi hariba prize asibu phangbi ka ba KNK jersey number 11 Boyai. Yes, Kaibulgi N Sintha Singha son of N Sitaljil please come and san bidra dongi prize pibinum sing jadi uncle last scorer ki please. Yes. Yes. First scorer prize amok khoi wal hore. PB gidaba KNK ki proprietor Uttam amadi Dinesh hairiba anisna akhoi ki first scorer ki prize si amok na khoi lupa lising ma pijagani. KNK jersey number 7, please come and get your prize. Once again, rupees 1,000. Yes, matangda direct kick to goal post hariba lupa chamagi prize amasu thamjari. Prize asibu PB gadaba Sri K Saifaba Singh kumbi lai sandong hariba aigi chana lupa lising chamagi PB gadaba KNK jersey number 12 chawba direct kick to goal post. Thank you. Ngasigi audience sing na khoi tongan tongan ba award sing PB khamatung da ngasigi tournament asigi khoi sathajari ba tournament asigi phangbi gadawa akhoi gi prize winner sing khoi mathang mathang pin ba khoi tawjage ngasigi man of the match mayam su guest wiramani KNK ki jersey number 12 prize PB gadawa Sri Shyam Singh DR Davis Nupur ikai khunjar bana ngasigi asigumba man of the match ki prizes PB gani. Man of the match prize pamigidaba KNK ki jersey number 12 yes, best player of the tournament goes to Premjit Singh jersey number 18 Murangsa FC. Best player of the tournament hariba prize asu pibiriba Sri Thaudam Joy Chandra Singh hariba tawul de lakpi basi hujik ngasi akoina memorial gi tawjariba laikidraba igi tema da mahak mama dongna tumak tawjaba dum misakni masa maksu hujik akoigi goal coach and ball coach and laijari bani. Best player prize goes to Premjit Murangsa FC jersey number 18. Please come and get your prize. Thank you. Donor amadi best player lawiriba player sibo khune thagachari mathangda highest scorer of the tournament chathajariba tournament is highest scorer goes to Premjit Murangsa FC jersey number 18 ma punna goal tara tarit chale highest scorer Premjit Morangsa FC magi total goal 17 hariba prize asibu donate towiba Sri Thoksom Maira Abasing yes Dhiren Thoksom sir Dhiren Thoksom na PB gani yes mathangda best goalkeeper mayam guess tobiyo yes KNK jersey number 31 Jackson best goalkeeper of the tournament prize book pibi gadaba akhoi gi hariba prize asi donate tobiwa Laisram Ranbir Singh Loinana Sri Oina Mirabot Singh social worker na su hariba best goalkeeper of the tournament da akoi lupa changangi award am su koi pijagane yes best goalkeeper ke award amu mathang bibi ke daba Sri donate to biba Sri Laisram Ranbir Singh thank you very much yes aikoina box khilaga thamjaki ba tugumba mayam na guess to wiki ba kanana winner oigadege haibadu koi KNK amadi Morangsai FC da koi yamna thajan bire KNK da mari thajan birei Morangsai FC da tara thajan bire adubu ngasigi पुनः थाजली में मैम से कोई KNK की मरी से कोई लॉटरी तक जरेगा हारी बम्मी ओई अदुदा कोई प्राइज भी जगनी पुनः कोई मी चाम यांग ना हारी बा बोर्ड असी पीपी रखने मैम ना गेस होबे करना मी ओई चाम यांग ना पीपी रख पता KNK की मरी मोरांगसा FC द तरा पीपी रे अदु KNK की ऐसी उलबा मरी ऐसी देखिए कोई कोई लॉटरी तरुआ कोई पीजगनी yes KNK की एनी कोई टीम कैप्टन नत्र टीम कोच लागा हारी बकुने तगजुगदर लॉटरी से कोई सेलेक्ट हुई भी आगनी KNK की मी मरी थाजन भी रखता कोई yes hariba lottery si KN ke na winner oigani haina thousand birakpa adugumba Francisco Haisnam Francisco Huirem magi address se yaudre adu magi mobile number mungta hajarke 8258898385 hariba Francisco lakpiragadi adongi prize asi lobigani yes masa laktraga jo khoi hariba mobile number se khoi tawjarga khoi pijarage yes ngasigi tournament asigi khoi winner amadi runners ki prize pijarage yes ekoi gi sinjari ba tournament asigi yamna thawai aksang yauna ekoi match sing asibu conduct tobi ba koi gi sir ibu yaima madi sir nanauda sir ibu yaima please come and get your prize ekoi side gi khoi angam prize bijage yes mathangda ekoi gi sir nanau koi sir nanau na sangbiruk na koi gi adom gi prize asi lobi gani thank you sir sir singna yamna wabina koi gi me sing si conduct tobi bani loinina khoi asoi ngam yaudna mayam gi mating na lakpiri mayam gi mating na khoi match asi sin bangam jabani mathangda sir nungsu please come and get your prize thank you sir yes lemor prize asidi runners and the winners ni runners of prize ekoi ngasigi morangsa FC finally sanabi ki ba runners up ta horba morangsa FC gi team coach na team manager na adongi award si yargadi sanbidna team kudim player kudim lakpiraga ekoi trophy si lobiru morangsa FC prize asi aigi yamba Sri L Pothe singana pibi gani laikidreba gi itai magi mingda kachaba sigumba runners up ki prize asi aigi yamna pibi gani please come and get your runners up prize Morangsa FC यारगदी प्लेयर सिंग लाकपिरगदी मोइना फजगनी सानबिदना प्लेयर सिंग खरा याविरगदी मोइना फजगनी खंजे Yes, winner. KNK की player सिंग लाफिनम सिंग जरी हारिबा प्राइज असु पिपी के दबा दाइस लेंसन बिरिबा कोई काय कुनर बसिंग क्लब कुमदिरगा कोई शर्ट के न पिपी गनी मयाम लोनो लेंथे बेरलगा कोई हारिबा अवार्ड से पिपी न सिंग जरी Thank you. अखोगी लेंगी रखलेबा ख्वाई पुनमक असिंगलबा यदा क्लम सिंजबा the first state level Larinjam sana tombi allies inausa leimagi mingda kachaba singba tournament asi mayam pumnamangna thawai haksang yauna lakpitna me singasibu hawdagina loi